Alright, so I just kind of skipped a bunch of boring parts. Basically I put these in, then ground, hit them with a Dremel until they were perfectly flat, as flat as I can get them. We'll see. I don't think it's going to interfere with anything here. Alright, so this guy goes on first. Doesn't appear like it's going to be that easy either. What I'm going to do is take just ever. There's a small amount of this moly grease here. And, yep, just like that. Apply it to this. Just so I can get it on there easier. It doesn't look like it's going to be that. It doesn't look like it's going to be that easy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the plate on. Oof! Wow, that's pretty sweet. Except now I don't know where those holes are. Okay, this goes like so. Find a home to go through. 2. Oh, here it is. And 3. Alright. Uh-oh, lost one. Flip that joker over. And these are the smaller nuts. I wonder why it's square on this side too. The same motor probably goes in different things. Alright. This back. Now we're going to go ahead. 8mm, I think. Yep. Just going to tighten these. Let's check the other side. Looks pretty cool. She's freely spinning, but I think this collar goes that direction, so it touches the bearing. Yep. Okay. Let's go ahead and torque this a little bit. And just 1 turn fast tight, 1/4 turn fast tight. Okay. So I guess the time has come to go get the plastic housing. Forget what the hell that went to. I'll have to figure that out later. So we've got 3 of these left. With this left. And let's go ahead and get the fan itself.